Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of protection crystals. If you've been feeling drained or need a boost, you're in the right place. We're talking about 7 incredible crystals that are like the A-team of protection. Welcome to our serene journey into the world of protective crystals. Today, we'll explore 7 powerful crystals that can shield you from negative energies and bring peace to your life. First up, let's talk about black tourmaline. This crystal is like the ultimate bodyguard, deflecting negative energy away from you. Whether it's negative people at work or bad vibes in general, black tourmaline has got you covered. I keep a piece in my purse, so it's always with me. You can also put it in your car, at your desk, or under your pillow while you sleep. It's like having a 24/7 energy bouncer. Next up, we have amethyst, a gorgeous purple crystal that screams royalty. Amethyst is a powerhouse for protection and is known for its calming and peaceful energy. It helps purify your aura and create a protective shield, perfect for anxiety or stress. Keep a piece close when you meditate or place it on your bedside table for peaceful sleep. It's also great to carry if you're feeling overwhelmed or emotionally drained. Think of it as a little dose of peace and tranquility, always within reach. Sometimes you just feel scattered, right? That's where smoky quartz comes in. This grounding stone neutralizes negative vibrations and turns them into positive energy. It's also helpful for those sensitive to electromagnetic radiation from phones and computers. Smoky quartz creates a barrier between you and electronic smog, which is crucial today. Now let's talk about labradorite, one of my personal faves. This crystal is stunning with its iridescent colors. But labradorite is more than just a pretty face, it's a powerful protector. It deflects unwanted energies and helps keep your aura strong and protected. This crystal also enhances intuition and psychic abilities. So if you're looking to connect with your inner guidance, labradorite can help you tap into that. It's like a spiritual force field. Now, let's talk about obsidian. This crystal is a serious powerhouse for protection. Obsidian shields you from negativity and deflects psychic attacks. It's also a powerful grounding stone that keeps you connected to the earth and your inner strength. Obsidian isn't afraid to show you tough love, helping you see through illusions and face your shadows. By facing those shadows, you can heal and grow stronger. It's like the strong, silent type of the crystal world. Next up, we have hematite, all about balance and stability. Hematite is a grounding stone that absorbs negative energy, leaving you calm and centered. It also boosts self-confidence and willpower. So if you're working on a goal or overcoming a challenge, hematite can give you that extra push. It's like a sponge that soaks up all the bad vibes. Last but not least, let's talk about selenite. This crystal is known for its high vibrations and ability to cleanse and purify your energy. Selenite clears negative energy from your space, leaving your home feeling light and airy. It promotes peace and tranquility, perfect for your bedroom or meditation space. Selenite is like a little slice of heaven on earth. Thank you for joining us on this calming journey through the world of protective crystals. I hope this video helped you understand the power of these beautiful stones. Remember, taking care of your energy is important, and crystals can help you do just that. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more serene content. Until next time, stay sparkly.